A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. So students, in our today's class we will be doing a workbook, okay, that is chapter 6 10. As already we have completed some questions from workbook, and in last class also I have completed question number 15, 16 and 17, right, from page number 59. So in today's class I will explain it to you, workbook page number 60, that is question number 19 and 20. Alright children, so what is given in question number 19? Let's start. Here you see gymnast attending a training camp. Okay, gymnast attending a training camp spend 1 hour and 40 minutes on the balance beam. So gymnast attending a training camp spent timing what? 1 hour 40 minutes on what? Balance beam. Alright, then they practice pole vault for 2 hours 55 minutes. So gymnasts are attending a training camp spend 1 hour and 40 minutes on the balance beam, and they practice pole vault, another exercise, for 2 hours and 55 minutes. Alright, if the camp ended at 1:10 p.m., that is the ending time, question is asking at what time did it start? So gymnasts are attending a training camp. They did what? They spent 1 hour 40 minutes on balance beam, and they practiced pole vault, another exercise, for 2 hours 55 minutes. These two are the duration, right? If the camp ended at 1:10 p.m., that is the ending time. Question is asking at what time did it start? So, in this question, what is given? Duration given. Two durations are there. Because gymnasts, they are doing training and they have done two exercises. One on balance beam, another one is pole vault. Alright. If the camp ended at 1:10 p.m., at what time did it start? You have to calculate in this question the starting time. Ending time given and duration also given, and that starting time you have to express in 24-hour clock format. So let's do what is given. First find out what are the things given, right? So duration for two exercises. First one is, what is the duration? 1 hour 40 minutes. Just see, okay children, plus another duration 2 hours 55 minutes. Now children, when you add both this duration, you just see 1 hour plus 2 hours. How much it comes? 3 hours. Okay, 1 hour plus 2 hours, it comes 3 hours. Now add it up minute. 40 minutes plus 55. How much it will come? 40 plus 55. It will come 95. So is there 95 minutes? No. We got how much? 3 hours 95 minutes. So 95 minutes is not there. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 60 minutes from 95. Alright. Right big. Just see. We got how much? 3 hours 95 minutes. So is there 95 minutes? No. So we subtract 60 minutes from 95. Okay, we will subtract it. How much left here? 35 minutes. And that 60 minutes is what? Children, see here, 1 hour. Yes or no? That 1 hour we will add it up with 3 hours. So what is the time we will get? 4 hours 35 minutes. Okay, we will get how much? 4 hours 35 minutes. So what is the time? What is the duration? So the duration is, we will write 4 hours 35 minutes. How you got 35 minutes? 4 hours 35 minutes. Is that clear? I've shown you. 40 plus 55 is 95. 95 minus 60 minutes. It comes 35 minutes. And that 60 minutes means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. That 1 hour you have to add with 3 hours. It comes 4 hours. Yeah. So duration we got 4 hours 35 minutes. Now, if the game ended at 1:10 p.m., at what time did it start? End time is how much? 1:10 p.m. If it is ended at 1:10 p.m., at what time it start? You have to find out. So, children, what you have to do? To find out the starting time, you have to calculate 4 hours before 1:10. 4 hours before 1:10. Calculate how much you will get. 4 hours before 1:10 is 4 hours before 1:10 p.m. is how much, children? It is 9:10 a.m. 9:10 a.m. Alright, this is 9:10 a.m. Got it? Now, 9:10 a.m. Got it? Now, what is there? What you have to find out? That 35 minutes you have to subtract it from 9:10. Why? Because the duration is given 4 hours 35 minutes. 4 hours before 1:10 is 9:10. Now you subtract 35 minutes from 9:10. So if you subtract 35 minutes from 9:10, how much you will get? So the start time is equal to 8:35 a.m. Got it, children? So starting time of the gymnast training is the training camp is what? 8:35 a.m. Now another part, express the time in 24-hour format. So you have to express this time in 24-hour format. So what in 24-hour clock format, 24-hour clock format, time is 0835 hours. Clear, children? So this is how you have to calculate this question. Duration given, end time given. Question is asking to find out the start time, and also that start time you convert it into 24-hour clock format. I hope it is clear. Now next, let's move to question number 20. Okay. Number 20. So what is given? Jafar took part in an essay writing competition. Jafar, the boy, he took part in what? Which even essay writing competition, which was for 2 hours. Essay writing competition duration was what? 2 hours. The competition started at 8:30 a.m. Starting time of the competition given. At what time? 8:30 a.m. Now, if Jafar completed his essay 20 minutes before the end time, question is asking, at what time did he complete his essay? Jafar is a boy, he took part in essay competition which was for 2 hours. Duration of the essay competition was 2 hours. The competition started at 8:30 a.m. Starting time of the competition given, 8:30 a.m. If Jafar completed his essay 20 minutes before the end time, the question is asking at what time did he complete his essay. Right? So from the question we came to know that duration of the competition was for equal to 2 hours. Duration of the competition was for equal to 2 hours. Alright. Now, start time equal to at what, children? 8:30 a.m. Okay. Now, end time, find out. End time equal to start time plus duration. So start time 8:30 a.m. plus 2 hours. It comes how much? 10:30 a.m. So 8:30 plus 2 hours, 9, 10, 10:30 a.m. Done? Now what is given? If Jafar completed his essay 20 minutes before the end time. What is the end time we got? 10:30. But Jafar completed his essay 20 minutes before the end time. So at what time did he complete his essay? We have to find out at what time Jafar completed his essay. So how will you find out? You have to write Jafar completed his essay 20 minutes before. 20 minutes before the end time. So children, what is the end time? 10:30. So 20 minutes before 10:30 is how much? 20 minutes before 10:30, children. Who will tell me? 20 minutes before 10:30. 10:30 minus 10:30 a.m. minus 20 minutes. It comes how much, children? Yes, it comes 10 a.m. 10:30. 10:30, 10 or 30 minutes. 30 minutes minus 20 minutes. It's come 10. So at what time did he complete his essay? So Jafar completed his essay at 10 a.m. This is the answer. Okay, answer is what? Answer is 10 a.m. Clear, children? So this is the things you have to find it out in this question. Jafar is a boy. He took part in essay competition, which was for 2 hours. Starting time of the essay competition was 8:30 a.m. But Jafar, he completed 20 minutes before the end time. So first we have to calculate what end time from the given duration and the start time. We got it? How much? 10:30. But Jafar, he completed 20 minutes before the end time. Our end time is 10:30. So 10:30 a.m. minus 20 minutes. At what time Jafar completed his essay? 10 a.m. So children, I hope whatever I have discussed, whatever I have explained in today's class, both the questions you have cleared it. So please, you just go through questions and try to solve it by yourself. After that, you note down in your workbook. Alright children, first you go through the question properly, then you solve it. Alright, so in the next class, children, I'll be starting practice questions. Alright, and also I'll give you some homework. Clear? Hot questions are there, you try it, and from the practice questions, some questions I'll be explaining in the next class. So, thank you.